How would you feel about making money online? Like a boss, right? Well, many people are making money online by posting videos on YouTube. But how do you start making money with 0 subscribers and no views? Well, to earn money on YouTube, you have to know the steps to take to start a YouTube channel and start earning sweet moolah. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 10. Don't procrastinate. Thinking about starting a YouTube channel? Great for you! There are many benefits to starting a YouTube channel, such as creating something you love and getting tons of views, and earning a buttload of cash when people start discovering your channel. But that can only happen when you do not procrastinate to starting the YouTube channel. Many people say they're going to start a YouTube channel but never actually get around to doing it, which costs you a lot of precious time that you could use to create content that increases your metrics and optimization data. Don't worry about making poor quality videos at first. You're not the only one. Most of the successful YouTube channels that you see today were not always so successful when starting, and their first videos were not as good quality as they are today. They have learned from their mistakes and tweaked some of their content to create something extraordinary. You can too if you stop procrastinating and just start the YouTube channel. Who knows? Your channel might just be one of those that blow up in an instant. Don't postpone it. Start today. Number 9. Base your content on a single niche. So many YouTubers make the mistake of basing their content on diverse niches that have always ended up in a disaster or minimal success. For example, posting gaming content today, cooking tutorials tomorrow, and tech gadget reviews the day after is the worst way to get your channel to achieve success. For you to have a successful YouTube channel, you need to focus on one niche. This allows your target audience to watch videos tailored for them. It also helps you have an inventory of past videos that they can go back and watch, which helps you increase views and subscribers. If you're passionate about different niches, you can always run multiple YouTube channels, but each channel must focus on a singular niche. This allows your metadata in terms of title, description, and tags to remain similar, which helps maximize your presence in search, optimization, ad serve, and suggested videos. Before we continue, make sure to stay focused because the following steps are going to be a game changer for you. Number 8. Create sequential videos. Some videos do so well that you want to create a part 2, part 3, and so on of the same content to engage viewers and get them to watch your videos. YouTube wants as many people as possible to stay on its platform because the more people stay, the more money they make. And the more money YouTube makes, the more money you make. Creating sequential videos allows people to stay on your channel, and the more viewers you get, the happier YouTube is with you and can help you stand out by giving you more views, ranking you high on the search engines, and giving you consistent ads. For example, if you created a video titled Tips for Losing Weight Fast that gets a ton of views, you can create a sequential video with a title such as Tips for Losing Weight Fast Part 2. This helps drive traffic from the first video to your second video, which keeps people on your YouTube channel. Number 7. Increase your CTR. If your CTR is low, it doesn't matter that you have the best videos with the best content if no one is watching them. An impressions click-through rate is simply a measure of percentage of people that have clicked to watch your video after seeing an impression. Some of the best impressions that can make viewers click on your video and actually watch it to the end are an alluring thumbnail, a great title, and a persuasive description. This is how many YouTubers capture their viewers' attention, which gives them millions of views. A good click rate is rated anywhere from 2% to 6% and 60% view duration on videos that are at least 10 minutes long. You get to this point and your videos will have explosive success on YouTube. Quality thumbnails and titles can help your videos make a good impression on viewers who will then click on them, instead of all other videos being suggested to them. Increasing your CTR allows you to make a lot of money because you're driving a lot of traffic to your videos. No one is going to click on a video that has a boring thumbnail and a dull title, and you can forget about making money on your channel if you can't drive traffic to it. Number 6. Create content that people want to watch. There's no point in wasting your time making videos if no one wants to watch the content that you're creating. Some YouTubers create content that doesn't get any traffic. For some, it comes out of ignorance to do some research on the best niches to create content in. There are ways that you can find out the content that people actually want to watch, and that's your content on what works best for you. Tools such as vidIQ can show you the type of content that is blowing up on YouTube, so you can make that your best choice on the type of content you want to put out to your viewers. It's important to search for the most recent niches that are getting a lot of traffic so you can have an idea of the videos that you want to create to catch your viewers' attention. Your videos will blow up on YouTube and help you get crazy good reviews, which turns into crazy good green paper. Number 5. Optimize your videos for SEO. With YouTube being the second largest search engine after its parent company Google, it's obvious that many people turn to the platform when they want to get video information about a product or service that they want. YouTubers have realized the power of optimization and are making hundreds of thousands of dollars on the platform from Google AdSense and the mammoth views on their videos. Optimizing your videos for SEO helps drive traffic to your channel and videos respectively, build a great online presence, rank high on search engines, and ultimately increase your revenue. There are many ways to optimize your videos, starting from the title, description, thumbnails, keywords, among others. You can use tools such as Canva, TubeBuddy, vidIQ, among others to optimize your videos. Number 4. Focus on suggested videos. While optimizing your videos gives your YouTube channel a pull, focusing on suggested videos can help you boost views and subscriptions to your channel. Many creators that appear on suggested videos have admitted to having increased views. This is because even if a viewer had not initially been actively looking for that channel, their interest is piqued when they watch a suggested video, and chances are that they may visit the channel and view more videos. Have you ever wondered why YouTube gives recommendations for some videos? This is because suggested videos multiply the number of people that stay on the platform, and appearing on the suggested videos also multiplies views on your channel and videos. This is because viewers tend to watch multiple videos when there is a session that's running for an average of 40 minutes. This means that half your viewers might watch more than one of your videos if they are on the suggested list, which ultimately helps you to earn money. One way to appear in suggestions of other videos is to use similar keywords, which means a similar title, a set of similar tags, and so on. Number 3. Create playlists. Having video playlists on your channel is one of the best ways to keep viewers on your page, which allows you to get multiple views on all of your videos. Many people like to watch engaging videos, and having a dedicated playlist allows them to watch your content without manually searching for it. For example, many lifestyle YouTubers organize their videos in playlists such as pranks, vlogs, challenges, most popular, among others. This means that if a viewer wants to watch pranks from the third YouTuber, all they have to do is go to the YouTuber's playlist and select pranks, which they go ahead and binge watch. And the best thing is that your playlist has autoplay, which means that your viewers don't have to use the buttons to click on them manually. This minimizes the chances of a viewer dropping off your videos and moving on to another channel. Creating playlists for your videos also keeps your channel neat and easy to navigate, which can help you easily locate the videos you're looking for. This allows you to have many views, which helps you grow your channel and earn more money. Number 2. Market your channel on your social media platforms. While creating and uploading videos on YouTube is one way to get people to visit your channel, marketing the channel on your other social media platforms can help you have a successful YouTube channel. For example, some people don't care for YouTube but are frequently on Facebook, Twitter, and other mainstream social media platforms. If you market your channel on those platforms, someone that does not necessarily visit YouTube often may click on the link to your channel. This helps drive traffic to your channel and allows you to get more views, which also means more Google ad views. And the more views you get on your ads, the more revenue you get. You might find that a third of your viewers come from your other social media platforms because you decided to market yourself. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1, keep grinding. Many YouTubers give up before they have made a milestone because they think it's taking too long for their channels to become successful. You may get lucky and have your channel blow up instantly, which is what every YouTuber dreams of. But more often than not, many YouTubers have to upload more than 50 videos before one video becomes successful, and that gets them from a small YouTuber status to one that gets sought after by big companies. That one video may also be what makes all the difference in your life. Giving up before you have tried everything you can will cut your success short and make you give up on your dreams of being a successful YouTuber. Don't give up and quit. Keep grinding even when you feel like you can't. And your day will come when you look back and be proud of how far you've come. Make sure to check out the next video. You're going to get a ton of value from this one. See you there.